Kublai pi baru kini kilong ki kubor bam ta kasungi. Kaagatha ki sangma chairperson ke Meghalaya State Commission for Women kalakot bandon ke jing yetli ba jing tepat ba banyadane ke jing min saw ba jing thambori ki kanthei ba khanna. Habakran ha stakeholders consultative meeting bala pelong na social welfare department ha state convention center. Ka ong ba ka jing nang bun ki kam thambor persha ki khanna kalong ba sngosi ba dawa ka jing trailang ki benta baro. Kapan pauru badan kamban penklan ke jing penyat jika an pokso bat ban pelong jing pen sngotu pat ba haki school bat haki shnong. Kala kerpat ika sorkar ban pet ya ke jing ai por kerpang ne flexible hour ya ki kmi ban pelut por bat ki khun. Ka agatha ka ongru baki school ki day bandon child safety committee ban pen isha yu child helpline number bat ban pelong jing ai jing hikai man ka pori kinong hikai bat staff. Kala kenthoru baki child protection committee haki shnong bat district Kim Trebha haga bakut ka ong ka jingya pheri ki kanthei bat ki khna ka de banong ka kam ringkat jingi baro ka sarkar ki school ki shnong bat ki longi.
I want to focus on two portions of the POCSO Act, which is the Section 43 of the POCSO Act, which talks about public awareness about the Act. Basically, sensitizing people, sensitizing schools, teachers and children and all various stakeholders about the provisions of the POCSO Act, the importance of knowing about safe touch, unsafe touch. So the various aspects of sexual assault and exploitation of children under the POCSO Act. Also, there is a rule in the official gazette, rule number 3, which talks about age-appropriate educational material that should be provided and that should be generated. So when we talk about age-appropriate educational material, we see that it should be given in schools, in institutes, etc. Now, like I said, I want to put my focus on these two aspects of POCSO where I feel that currently what we are lacking in is the awareness generation, where there is already many provisions which are there in the Acts, which mandates that we should have more material, more awareness programs about child sexual abuse. But for some reason, many of the times we do not see them in schools or in institutes or in various areas where children happen to be present.